Tabahan ng puso. Gagaling din magsalita. hindi lang magaling magsulat. Ang galing po magsalita. Nako, pressured si Scott. Actually, there was a question kanina si Scott. Asked me what was the theme last year. Nakakalimutan ko actually. So I had to really, bumalik pa ako sa Facebook page namin. Ang theme namin last year is heroism as response to the call of the times. We asked them to draw inspiration from the trials na pinadcast namin. So, mabot yata tayo kay Trial of Jesus Christ na nun. Kaya, so, pang-holy expression namin, ma'am. Trial of Jesus Christ. Kaso naubusan na yata kami ng toilets. Anyway, let's move on. Ang iPad ay... Okay. So, we'll go to the second place. Yung second and first place naka-appear na sa aming program. Yung third and honorable mention will appear tonight. Sino naman ang interview namin? Sabi nga ni Marvin pahinga muna kami. Mag-interview muna kami ng mga winners. So, natin patagalin. Second place is Anne Bernadette Marie A. Pasilar, St. Mary's Academy. Caloocan. Si Tony po dito mag-a-accord kayo na.
Usual speech ulit. Hindi na pala sa voice projection.
Good afternoon. I'm not really good in speeches, so I'll go on with the mandatory thank you. So, naturally, I'd want to thank my parents because they have supported me wholeheartedly for all these years. They didn't pressure me into engaging myself into sports and the like. And next to Mrs. Reyes, she's been my mentor for so many years now, and because of her, I'm always winning the contest I've been joining. So thank you very much. And then I'd like to thank Bayanet Batas for holding these kinds of contests that encourages students like me to share their talents, to show what they have. Because personally, I'm a very shy person, and this was a very big opportunity for me to engage myself into contests outside of the school. And then, last but not the least, especially, I'd like to thank God because this was my first blessing for the year 2013, and recently I've had another blessing, so I'm really happy that God never failed me once, and I'm still hoping for more blessings this 2013, and I'm hoping for more students like me who'll be encouraged to write. And thank you for everyone also I would like to thank the parents present here today because they've also obviously supported their children. And like mine, I'm very happy for my parents, and just like you're very proud of me, I'm very proud of you. Thank you, and have a good day.
Hindi pa pala magaling magsalita yun. Beg to disagree. Okay, so ito na. This is it. What's it? First place.